up guys? Good morning! I'm on my way to Project Maples for the last time kasi today na ang possession ng buyers natin. So the goal is to get photos para dun sa mga utilities, gas, water, and hydro para makat na natin yung utilities na yon. And then mamaya pipick upin ko yung mga hats ko kasi nagpagawa ulit ako. If you guys want the Stay Hungry merch, let me know. Help your brother out. So yeah, tara samahan nyo ako sa Project Maples for the last one time. Let's go! Okay guys, dito na tayo sa Project Maples. So let's take a photo of the gas meter. And then kailangan natin yung hydro din. Hydro is right here. Tapos kukunin ko na din yung lockbox ko kasi that's mine, obviously. Then iiwan na natin the rest of the key dito sa bahay for them. Hello? Nobody's here. Mamaya pa, I think, ng mga alauna sila pupunta dito. Nice and hot. Mamimiss ko tong bahay na to. It's a great house in a great location too. That's it for Maples project. On to the next one. If you guys watch yung vlog kagabi or kahapon, yung Project Westgate natin is conditionally sold. So guys, kung hindi nyo alam ang difference ng conditionally and unconditionally. Conditionally sold meaning meron pa siyang condition katulad ng financing condition or inspection condition. Yun yung mga condition na nilalagay ng mga buyers natin. So with Project Westgate, it's the financing condition yung condition nila. And supposedly next week, I would say Tuesday or Wednesday, we should be able to find out kung na-approve yung financing nila or hindi. So, I'm gonna be hoping na ma-approve sila, obviously, para hindi na natin ibalik sa market yung property na yun. So, ayan, iiwanan natin tong extrang mga susi para sa sellers or sa buyers natin. And say our last goodbye to Project Maples. Okay, goodbye Maples. Bye-bye. See you on the next, I don't know when, but bye. Okay guys, let's go. Time to pick up naman yung hat natin. That's it. We are done with this project. Hopefully next week makuha na din yung pera ko dito. From this project para makabili na ulit tayo ng mga properties, new projects. Alright guys, dito na tayo. Kunin na natin yung hat natin. 10 yung bagong hat natin. Merong white and black, merong navy and black, and then the usual black. So let's go. Guys, we got our hats. Oops. Pakita ko sa inyo. Once we're inside the car, got the hat, bro. It's nice. I like it. Ito pa rin yung Stay Hungry, obviously. Boom! Dami nag-message sa akin about these hats. Ito yung isa, white and black. I like this one. Look. Sheesh! And then ito yung isa, navy blue na white tapos black yung lining ng Stay Hungry. Tapos meron tayong MDev on the black and white. How is that? I like it, man. I like it. Let's go. Guys, bisitahin muna natin yung Project Westgate natin since it's conditionally sold since last night. And a few days na akong hindi rin nakakapunta doon. So, tingnan natin kung anong status ng bahay. I know nandun pa yung mga gamit nila Jordan. Hindi mo na namin tatanggalin siya until it's unconditionally sold. So tara, punta natin siya. Hey guys, dito na tayo sa Project Westgate natin. Let's go check this out. They left the light on all night. That's fine. Smells so good. And by the way, itong glass na to Yung broken glass na yan. I don't know if you guys can see it. We're going to replace that glass sometime this week. Actually, baka dumating today yung magre-replace ng glass. And then, yeah, that's it. Para yung new owner will get a new glass for that window. I think I'm all done dito. Everything looks good. Let's go home and eat lunch. Guys, meron daw gustong mag-hi sa inyo. Knock knock. Oh, hi. What are you doing inside? Is that your house?
Yeah, I'm inside the house.
Inside the house.
Bye bye, Daddy.
Bye bye, Emil. See you later.
See you later, Daddy.
Hi, trick or treat.
Hey, guys.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. Tuwan-tuwa sa kanyang bahay. Tig-isa silang bahay ni Kuya Ellis. That's Kuya Ellis and that's Emil. Right?
That's me.
That's you. Guys, kamusta naman yung hot lineup natin? Maganda ba? Come on now. Come on now.
No, Daddy.
Let's go.
Go.
Let's go.
Let's go, Daddy.
Let's go, Emil. You're silly. Do you like Daddy's hat? Yes?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye. He likes my hat.